Like, I want to be an original one because I just want to show people my music, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you should. Alright, whenever you're ready.
Yeah. Should I just go for it?
Yeah.
I think I got it going on. The flashy clothes and the car. But the truth is, you have no idea what's going on. So I love your girl today. All I want to her away. Hard work, a lot sweating down at the beer. Who could it be? Who could it be? Who could it be? And now while you're driving home right away to see if it's true what they say, that now it's your turn and you're being played. Because what goes around that comes around, and now you're being played. Who could it be? Who could it be? Who could it be? And now you park the car and you're waiting to see who's the fella gonna be, who's gonna come out of the building A, apartment B. Worst of them all, worst of them all, worst of them all. It was my brother who took my love away from me. Oh no, 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 it was my brother who took my love away from me. Oh no, 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 it was my brother who took my love away from me. Oh no, 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 it was my brother who took my love away from me. Oh, I fucked up right there, but yeah. Yeah. That's for you, brother.
That was a great song.
Yeah.
I'll just